I've successfully astral projected thousands of times in the last 10 years. But here's what nobody tells you. Most astral projection guys are either selling you $300 courses or giving you watered down techniques that don't actually work. I tried them all. They failed. Today I'm giving you the complete step-by-step method that actually got me out of my body. For free, no fluff, no mystical BS, just the real technique based on years of practice in occult and esoteric traditions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do tonight to have your first out-of-body experience. Let's start with what astral projection actually is. I'm Haides the Magus. I help spiritual people to discover real wisdom through over 10 years of real-life experiences in spirituality, esotericism, occultism, and consciousness. If you want to join this journey, subscribe, like, and ring the bell so you'll be invited to wisdom each time. To be able to do astral projection, you do need fundamental information. This is applicable for everything. Without knowing anything, you can't do anything, right? Astral projection is traveling the dimensions, the astral planes with your soul. But before that, we really need to know what is dimension, what is astral, why we do call them as astral. Astral actually is dimensions. Okay, that's important. Without knowing where we are going, we can't go, right? Because of that, we do need to know the astral planes, the dimensions. Of course, we're not gonna deep dive into dimensions in this video, but the next videos we can do that. Comment below and we can do a separate video about dimensions and their structures, okay? Basically, there are layers. This is structure of the universe. Actually, it is explained in the Quran, in the Bible, in the Torah as separation of doom and the earth, right? We are traveling to the transmission plane, etheric plane, okay? Everyone does astral projection in your dreams, yes. Some dreams you can say, oh, that dream was so vivid. Remember, both being awake and sleeping. That is what astral projection is. All people already do astral projection. Everyone in the world does astral projection in their dreams, but unconsciously. Today, we're gonna do astral projection with consciously. Okay, this is so simple, and this is the most fundamental thing for your soul. You don't surprise if you see a man walking or eating. You don't surprise, right? Because this is normal, right? This is normal for your soul. This is most normal thing for your soul. So anybody can do that. You don't need to be a master magician or a magus. You don't need to be one of them. You can do that. But how? How are we gonna do that? Okay, first of all, we're gonna lay down, or the most comfortable position, doesn't matter, it's up to you. Lay down, you lay down, but do not think anything. And I know many thoughts will come up to your mind. Don't worry, don't worry. Think a river, a simple river in the nature. Okay, take those thoughts and put the river, let the flow wash it away. Just take the thoughts, take it and put the river, let it wash it away. When there is no thought except the river, you're gonna take the river and put the river itself and let the river wash itself, okay? And there is absolute darkness, the pitch black. There is nothing. Right now, in this stage, you can do chakra meditation, which boosts your astral projection speed. It's hastening the process. Okay, I highly suggest that. But if you don't want to do that, it's okay though. Then realize yourself. Feel your own energy. I'm not talking about your body. I'm talking about your soul. Feel your energy, your own soul. Okay, your body can tremble. Don't worry. That's normal. That's okay. Then do this by imagining there is an eye here. Let this eye be opened. This is your eye. This is the eye of your soul. Okay? Let it be opened and see it around. Then try to get up. but not entirely. Let your half of your soul live in your body. Okay? Don't worry. Try to get up. You see with this eye. You try to get up and just look around. I highly suggest you to not to leave the room. Okay? If it's your first experience, if it's your first out of body experience, then do not leave the room. Just stay in the room. Okay? Just for a couple of trying meditation, whatever you call. After a couple of times, you can go out at the room, you can walk around in the house or neighborhood, doesn't matter, but the first couple of astral projection is important. In the first couple of astral projection sessions, just don't leave the room, okay? You get up, you are looking at your around. If you do see an entity, a spiritual entity, or let's say demon, by the way, to be able to see a real demon is kind of impossible for general public, okay? You can't attract a demon, a soldier demon. Let's get back to topic. That is not a demon, first of all. And second, do not be afraid. God created you with their own energy, own essence. So we are so powerful, okay? We are so much powerful. Those entities are so below us. Just don't be afraid. Think like a human. There are good and bad people, right? When you go out, some want to help you. Some want to harm you, like people, right? Just don't be afraid. It's okay though. You can see spiritual entities. It's like expecting not seeing a human when you go out, right? It's not possible, right? It's impossible. You just see people. It's same. Just try to walk around in the room. Don't get out of the room if it's your very first astral projection session. Just don't go out, okay? And don't be afraid. If something bad happens, your soul will be drawn back to your body. This thing gonna protect you. So if you're afraid and if you see the same entity all the time, join the Order of Magus and I'm gonna help you. I'm not gonna charge you anything. And I explain these things. And if you wanna learn the basics, the fundamentals, the foundations of these things, I wrote a book called The Book of All. I'm gonna leave the link below. When you read that book, 100% do astral projection, okay? It's guaranteed because I explained the laws of energy in the book of all. I explained the fundamentals, the foundations of soul, aura. When you learn that, when you do astral projection with that knowledge, it is impossible to do not to astral projection. It's 100% guaranteed. I'm Magus. I help spiritual people to discover real wisdom through over 10 years of real life experiences in spirituality, esotericism, occultism, and consciousness. If you want to join this journey, subscribe, like, and ring the bell so you'll be invited to wisdom each time. Have a nice one.